morning to all. I am Ms.S.Veeralakshmi from Department of Microbiology. Today we see about hair and fiber examination in forensic serology. Let's see about the topics. Hair and fiber examination, comparison and identification of forensic serology, significance in forensic investigations in hair and fiber examination. Hair examination. Hair is an appendage of skin that grows from hair follicle. It has a root, a shaft and a tip. Next, hair pigments consist of melanin proteins, uric acid, vitamins, cholesterol and other organic materials. In hair contain elements such as lead, iron, arsenic and silicon are also found in the hair. The structure of hair is composed primarily in protein is called keratin. Hair is parts 3. First one cuticle, it is outer layer. Next cortex, it is a middle layer. Next one is medulla, is the inner layer. The types of hair, 3 types of hairs are in human hairs like head hair, body hair and facial hair. Animal hair also commonly encountered in forensic investigation. Microscopic examination of hair. Microscopic analysis of hair involves studying its color, diameter, medullary index and scale pattern of the cuticle. Next we see fiber examination. The types of fibers are between in natural or synthetic. In natural fibers, example cotton and wool. In synthetic fiber, examples of synthetic fibers, polyester and nylon. They can be classified on the basis like morphology such as staple fibers like it is known as short fibers or filament fibers. It is a long continuous fibers. Microscopic examination of fiber. Similar to hair examination, fibers are examined under a microscope for characteristics such as color, diameter, cross-sectional shape and presence of dye or pigment particles. The fiber can be tested using burn test. Fiber identification often involves burn test where the fiber is subjected to heat and its behavior like odor, flame color and residues were observed. Different fibers exhibit characteristics burn behaviors. Next, comparison and identification of fiber and hair examination. Comparison microscopy. Microscopic examination is crucial for comparing questionable hairs or fibers with known standards. This involves matching characteristics such as color, diameter, scale pattern and morphology. Instrumental analysis for hair and fiber. Advanced techniques such as FTIR. FTIR known as Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy and SEM-EDS, scan electron microscopy, energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy can be used for more precise identification, especially in cases where microscopic examination is inconclusive. Next, collection and preservation of samples. Proper collection and preservation of hair and fiber evidence are critical to maintain its integrity for analysis. Next, the evidence should be carefully packaged in paper bundles or envelopes to prevent contamination and degradation. Different types of evidence may require specific collection methods. For example, tape lift can be used to collect fiber evidence from clothing or surfaces. Next, significance in forensic investigation of the samples. Hair and fiber evidence can link a suspect to a crime scene or victim or connect multiple crime scenes. It can provide valuable information about activities, movements and interactions between individuals and their environment. When combined with other types of evidence like DNA or fingerprints, hair and fiber analysis can strengthen the overall case against a suspect. Next, the database and reference materials. Forensic laboratories often maintain databases of hair and fiber characteristics to aid in comparison and identification. The reference materials such as known hair sample from suspects or victims as well as collections of fibers are essential for comparison during forensic analysis. The limitations of the examination of hair and fiber. While hair and fiber evidence can be valuable in investigations, is not always definitive. Individualization like a specific hair or fiber to a particular source is rarely possible. Instead of the focus is often an association. establishing that air or fibers could have originated from a particular sources. The environmental factors also a complex the examination of air and fiber, such as cross transfer of fibers or contamination of the fiber. Expert testimony. Forensic experts may testify in court regarding their findings on air and fiber evidence. They explain the methods used in analysis and present their conclusions based on the evidences. The final conclusion of the air and fiber examination. Air evaluations have also been utilized to determine the nature, quantity and the period over which the person had been administered in slow poisoning cases. The examination and identification of air and fibers are complex process that require a combination of microscopy, chemical analysis and expertise in forensic science. Proper handling and analysis of such evidence can provide crucial insights into criminal investigations. Thank you.